Hello guys, uh, welcome again to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to delete contacts from email. Let's say you have your contacts in email and you want to delete it permanently. Here are the guidelines that will help you to delete those contacts. First of all, you have to log into your email account. For example, here when you see a right corner here, you see that I have already logged in. So if you already logged into your Gmail, you will place these dots here, which will open up Google Apps. That's like this one. Yes, after opening the Google Apps like this, find out the contact app and you click on the contact. Okay, you wait. Okay, finally it will open like this. After opening, you will see that these are my contact which are on my email, almost 300. Yeah, so if I want to delete this contact, maybe you want to delete one among them, you can scroll down or search here, or you can search here by name, or you can scroll and find its name. So if you want to delete this, I'll hold like this and then select. You see, when I select another, it will be selected. You hold in this icon. Yes. Okay, these are it will show me that it is selected. Now if I want to delete them, I'll come here in this dot, 3 dots. I press and then I will press on delete. It will ask you if you want to delete, and it show you that the contact will be deleted permanent. Okay, I can move to trash. 3 contact moved to trash, and if I want also to delete in the trash, I'll come here and then I'll go to this trash here. I'll find this contact, and if I want to delete them, you can press easy. You can press here, empty trash now. Come here, it will ask you, okay, the contact will be deleted. So that is how you can delete the contacts in your email. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and see you to the next video.